There's different definitions of skills gap. Have we got the right people in the right places? Have we got the right skills in particular verticals and of course geographically as well? And it's something that we've recognised here at CREST, in that I don't think we've got a really good picture of what good looks like in terms of skills and how we're faring globally. So we've now commissioned what we're calling the Cyber Skills Persons Register, where we're trying to map those skills to individuals. So CREST does accreditation of organisations, where we join the dots between the buying community, the service providers, to a level which is defined by the regulators. And in joining those dots, we're accrediting those companies, their particular knowledge and skills and their experience, but then also translating that down to the individuals. We're now asking them to fill out this skilled persons register, where they'll be defining how long they've worked in the industry, what qualifications they've got, what experience they've got, which verticals, where they are geographically. And through that, and which we're doing globally, we can then start to build a picture of where that skills gap lie, and being able to inform that back to the community, back to organisations, having anonymised some of the data. So individuals and organisations can then see where perhaps they are strong, where they're perhaps less strong, where they need to invest, and equally in terms of joining the dots, the buying community can then see where those gaps are, and hopefully that will join things together and actually motivate both organisations and individuals to fill that skills gap in some way. CREST has about 300 accredited members, and we're inviting all of those, from really large organisations to quite small boutique consultancies. And we're asking all of them globally to fill in this Cyber Skills Persons Register. And what that will do will then inform the community. In terms of what else can be done, I think there's a whole host of different programs going on across the UK and globally, and all these initiatives. But to me, they all seem a little bit disjointed, and we don't seem to have a bottom-up approach of how we can really scale up the challenges that cybersecurity present to us now and in the future. As you can see here today, this event is just growing year on year, and it's clearly not going away. So I think these initiatives are really important, and anywhere we can contribute is valuable, but actually a more cohesive approach. It's what we're doing at CREST in terms of the Skilled Persons Register. We're not going to mandate that you have to have CREST certifications, because organisations may well have invested a lot of money and time and resource in their individuals to skill up in different qualifications. And we want to be able to recognise those, present them back to industry and the regulators and saying, look, here's what good looks like, here's what not so good look like, and inform that debate and hopefully recognise some consistency across the industry. We've just relaunched as CREST. I think we started out in 2006 in CREST 1.0. We've gone through CREST 2.0, and we're now at CREST 3.0 with a relaunch of our brand, our website, and a new vision in terms of capability. How do we define what capability is good? What does that look like? And the consistency across the industry as well. It's the 4 C's. So it's capability, capacity. Has the industry got enough capacity in relation to a skills gap question, and then into the community and giving back that information, the data that we can harvest from individuals. It's not particularly sensitive, particularly when we anonymise it, and hopefully that will inform growth and interest, and encourage people to join to make the world a better place. Infosecurity is a fantastic event. CREST has been here year on year, and it's particularly nice to come back in person now, to join the dots, to meet those old faces, meet new faces, and put names to faces that we've only seen in 2D over the last couple of years.